Welcome to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show how you can connect Convertri application with Google Sheets. So guys, Convertri is a sales funnel building application where you can create sales pages or landing pages and even websites. And Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program. So here we are about to set up an automation which will connect Convertri with Google Sheets in such a way that as and when a sale happens from Convertri website or landing page, the data of the customer will be saved and sent to Google Sheets automatically. And with that data, you can communicate further with your customers. You can use that data for marketing purposes as well. So if you are selling your products online, this automation can be very helpful to you, as you do not have to manually sort out the customer details from Convertri landing page and add that data manually inside the spreadsheet. So it will surely save your time and energy and also improve your productivity. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And with the help of this, we can set up this automation. And to reach here, please use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. So first of all, you need to click on this create workflow button here. And here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Convertri to Google Sheets. Okay. Right. Now click on create here and you can see your workflow is getting loaded here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So automation work on these two things. The trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new purchase or sale happening in Convertri, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the data of the customer inside the spreadsheet that you have created in Google Sheets application. Okay. So first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from here, choose the trigger application as Convertri. This is Convertri, guys. Click on it. And the trigger event, select this new purchase option. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL. And with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Convertri application by following these instructions written here. And after that, we are going to capture the response of this webhook URL. Okay, let me show you. First of all, you just have to copy this webhook URL, and then you have to reach your Convertri applications dashboard. Here it is. Okay, so guys, here you have to click on the account section, and under the account section, guys, when you scroll down, you will find this field webhook secret key. So here you have to enter a secret key. That key should be any name or any word. Okay, so put the word here like this. I have added, and then click on save. Okay, so after adding the secret key, go to this cart tab, click on cart, where you have added your product. So you can create a new product here that you want to sell via Convertri. I have already created these products. Let me show you. This is a mobile phone I am selling via Convertri. Just to show you the demo, I have created this. Okay, so here you have to click on this edit icon, and under the edit section, click on this advanced tab at the last. And under the advanced tab, in this webhook URL field, you have to add a webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we have copied this URL, and you have to add this here in this webhook URL field like this. Then click on save, and you can see we have added a webhook URL here. And you can see in our workflow, as I have copied this URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission to capture the webhook response. Okay, and the test submission would be the same thing which you have added in the trigger event. Okay, so this means now you have to make a demo purchase from Convertri landing page, and we are going to capture that data here. Okay, so that will act as the test data to set up this automation further, right? So I have created this product here. You can see the name is Redmi Ni. Okay, that's a mobile phone, and this is the landing page I have created for this phone. Okay, and here you can see I have this buy now button. So I'm clicking on buy now. So the checkout page will open up, and here let us enter the details of any test customer. Okay, so here I'm entering the data as Will Smith, the name of Will, and the email address of this person is this, and the phone number. So guys, I have entered the details of the customer, the address, and let me fill the card details. So here I am entering the test card details. Okay, this is not an original card. Okay, so I'm just showing you the demo. That's why. Okay, right now I'm clicking on pay, and you can see the payment is getting processed. So you can see after getting the payment done, we are redirected to this page. So you can redirect your customer to any page as you want from Convertri application. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of the test payment or the test sale uh, captured or not. Okay, so here you can see in this response received section, we got the data, and it is showing the title of the product type, the currency type, the payment method type, and you can see the customer details here as well. Okay, right? So this is how we can capture the test data from Convertri to here. And you can see in the transaction amount label, we received the amount as 1000 rupees, but actually our product is of 10 rupees. Let me show you. So you can see here our product is of 10 rupees only. Okay, and here the data we got captured is this. It is showing the transaction amount as 1000. So it is showing here two extra zeros because this workflow do not capture the decimal points from this page. You can see we have this decimal point here, but it does not capture it, and it is showing 1000 rupees here. So guys, we are going to change this amount. We are going to correct this amount, and for that we are going to use a feature of Pabbly which is called number formatter. So from this actions tab, search for number formatter here. This is it. Okay, select it. So with the help of this feature, you can format the numbers. So here in the action event, I'm going to select perform math operation. Okay, so guys, with the help of this, I'm going to divide this amount by 100 so that we can have the actual amount. Okay, so just click on connect here, and now it is asking for the numbers and the operation that you want to perform. So guys, here in the numbers field, I'm going to map this label, the transaction amount label. Okay, so to map it here, just click here and you will see this Convertri option in the drop down, and from here only map this transaction label. Okay, now you have to put a comma here. You have to put a comma, then you have to put the number by which you want to get this number divided. Okay, so here I'm putting 100. So this means we are going to divide this number by 100. So when you map the label here like this, in real time after setting up this automation, whenever any product is going to be purchased from your Convertri landing page, this label is going to change accordingly according to the amount that you have mentioned, and this is going to happen. This mathematical operation is also going to happen automatically in real time. Okay, so in the operation section, I'm going to select divide. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and you can see now in the result table we got the exact amount. Okay, so this was the real amount and we got it here. Now guys, I want to send the details of my customer and the product here in this spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet I have created, and here I have these columns: the order ID, the customer name, the phone number, the product name, and the price. So these are the details I want to save here for further communications and for marketing purposes. So to make this happen, we are going to use another action step. Just click on this plus icon and another Actions tab will open up. And from here now I'm going to select the Google Sheet application. Okay. And here in the action event, select add new row option. Okay, so it will add a new row of data. Click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Alright, and from this window you have to select the Google account by which you are accessing that application. Select the Google account. Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect to make the connection with your Google account. Just click on continue here. Alright, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with Google Sheets. Okay, now it is asking to select the spreadsheet. So guys, here is my spreadsheet, the name of which is Convertri. So you have to select this sheet from this list that you have here. So in the select spreadsheet field, you will see all the spreadsheets that you have created in Google Sheet application. From here only select your sheet. Okay, and you can see the sheet's name is selected here automatically because we have only one sheet in this spreadsheet, the name of which is product sold. Okay, so it got selected here, and now it is asking for the headers of the columns that we have: the order ID, the customer name, the mobile number, the product name, and the price. Okay, so guys, we are going to use the test data that I have received here in the first step, and we are going to map the labels in the third step. Okay, so here to map the labels, just come back to this step, and here just click on the order ID field, and you will see the Convertri step in the drop down, and from here only find the order ID label. So guys, this is the order ID label. You can see order ID. Okay, so map this label here. Then in the customer's name, map the customer name label from the Convertri step. This is the name. For the phone number, use the same way and map the phone number label. This is it. Okay, for the product name, let's see where is the product name. This is it in the product title label. Okay, and in the price, you will get the corrected price from the second step, not from the first. Okay, so we have corrected the price from this math operation. So map this result label here in the price section. Okay, so guys, why we map these labels? We map these labels so that whenever in real time you get a new purchase, the labels are going to change automatically and the new data will be fetched here in the spreadsheet. Let me show you how. So you can check your connection with the spreadsheet by clicking on save and send test request. So I'm clicking here and you will see a new row added in your spreadsheet. So this is the response it is showing here. Let's check in the spreadsheet if we got a new row. And here you can see we got a new row added here in the spreadsheet with the same data that we have mapped. The name of the customer is Will Smith, the product name, the price. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up the automation. So guys, let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, I connected Convertri in the trigger. By following these instructions, we make the connection and fetch the webhooks response here as the test data. Okay, by making a test purchase. Okay, after that we use number formatter to get the corrected amount that we have received in the first step. Okay, after that in the action step, I connected Google Sheets application and mapped the whole data that we have received and converted the price. Okay, so guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.